Today on Mixtape Crate, we're making a new handle for this whisk. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this is Mixtape Crate, and today we're making a handle for a wire whisk. So we got this for my mom, I don't know, about a year or two ago, and the handle is cracked, it comes off, like all kinds of stuff. So I think we can do better. I think we can remake this handle out of a harder wood, reattach this to it after we get all the glue and stuff off, and make this better. We really like this, and yeah, we could go buy a new one for $5 or $10, but we kind of make stuff here. That's kind of what we do. So that's what we're doing. So we're gonna start by gluing up some wood to make this handle. Things being said, with it being at angles like that, I couldn't really figure out a good way to clamp it. So I think this should work. We just gotta let this dry. We can start trimming this down, boring it out, going from there. Basically, that's what we did. All this glued up, shaped it, sanded it, drilled a hole out. It wasn't quite deep enough. So we added a copper collar. I think that adds a little bit to it. Still a little short, but that's okay. Close enough. 5-mat epoxy, letting this set up, sand it down, finish it, mask this off, good to go. your time. That's how we did it, guys. Super happy with how this turned out. This is definitely an improvement. It's not perfect. Like, I had to cut this copper collar because I didn't drill the hole far enough. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. For a whisk, it doesn't have to be straight. It's fine. Anyway, if you'd like to see more projects like this, there'll be a playlist right up here. There'll be a suggested video here. You can subscribe here, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.